Hey guys, I had to replace the chip once, the processor in this once, but I'm not sure how it was damaged, so today that's what we're going to investigate. This one currently works. As you can see, it will connect. Oh, that's right, I have to power target circuit from tool. Just wait a little second and it'll load. Alrighty. Target device PIC32. And of course I'm going to do a blank check. It's not blank because I've been doing some stuff. Device not blank. Blank check failed. I'm going to do a read so I can read the memory from it. Let's see what it has, what I put on it. Read complete. Yeah. So, I'm gonna now see, because I think I know what the culprit is. Okay, I just want to make sure everything is recording. I'm gonna plug the USB in. We're gonna see if that makes any kind of difference into its readability. Okay, I'm going to disconnect and connect. Alrighty, looks like the USB interface is, the USB interface is not functional yet because I haven't written the bootloader code for it. However, the USB connecting power to the voltage detect pins, the 5 volts to the 5 volt voltage detect pins, apparently it doesn't affect much. So that is great. We'll see you again with more tests. In the meantime, I'm trying to get an LED to blink on this thing. Unfortunately, MPLab removed the delay functions from the XC32 compiler. I'm having a little bit of trouble getting core timer working. Hardware-wise, though, this seems to be okay. I'll try a different test, perhaps testing the USB interface on it. But until next time, guys, we'll see you then. Bye.